Well, it is the kind of week where you want to have an umbrella close by at all times. Meteorologist Kate Bilo back with a full forecast. I don't know how many times I said little baby today, but you need a little umbrella.
You need, yeah, a little, or maybe as the week goes on, a bigger one. By Thursday, you're going to need maybe the golf umbrella with some torrential rain. Just what we needed, right? We've had some interesting weather in August. The first week, cool and comfy. The second week of August, of course, was extreme dangerous heat. And now we're talking tropical moisture and scattered downpours. That's what's going to mark this third week of August. Philadelphia right now is relatively quiet. The clouds are in. It's very humid, but it's not really raining anywhere in our region. The showers have drifted along that southeast wind into parts of Maryland and will likely stay away from most of the area until early tomorrow morning. So we're looking at mid-70s with cloudy skies, and some areas of patchy fog will likely form overnight as well. Storm Scan 3 shows, again, just a few showers trying to break out in Lancaster County. The worst of it, though, is off to the west. So this is not Fred. This is just tropical moisture, actually a warm front lifting through tonight. South of that warm front, we are going to see the influx of tropical humidity and moisture from Tropical Storm Fred, which, of course, once again made landfall along the Florida Panhandle earlier this afternoon and will then lift to the north. The remnant low of Fred will move through our area Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Just a quick check on two other storms in the tropics. Tropical Storm Henri is southeast of Bermuda. It's going to make almost a beeline west, almost looking like it's headed right for the Carolinas or Florida, and then a quick turn, almost making a complete circle around Bermuda. And then we have Tropical Depression Grace, which is over Haiti, starting to move away tonight. Exactly what Haiti does not need. Again, it's only a tropical depression, so the impact's not as great as they would be from a tropical storm or hurricane. But it looks like Grace is going to cut right through the warm waters between Jamaica and Cuba, strengthening to a tropical storm, making one landfall through the Yucatan Peninsula and then another one possibly along the Mexican mainland by Friday night into Saturday morning as a Category 1 hurricane. Tonight, 70 degrees will be the overnight low. A few scattered showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, patchy fog, and tomorrow, same story. Now, the day is not a total washout. The problem is if you do get stuck in one of these downpours, if you're driving or if you're out walking in the city, it's going to be heavy rainfall, so you want to be prepared for that. Once again, it looks like the heaviest tomorrow morning will be north and west, and you can see in the afternoon, it's not a complete washout, but any one of these little cells will produce downpours, and they can move over the same areas for an extended period of time. Wednesday starts with clouds and a few scattered showers, then heavier rain starts to move in Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and this is with the remnant moisture from Fred. You can see the heaviest will likely be in our north and western zones. So by the time all is said and done here, we're looking at generally lower amounts of precipitation near the coast, about an inch total by Friday morning in Philadelphia. Some spots north and west will pick up over 2, even 3 inches of rain, and there may be some flood products, a flash flood watch or a flood watch issued for parts of the area later on this week. We'll keep you posted if that does happen. So scattered showers, unsettled tomorrow. Wednesday, a few downpours likely, especially at night. That'll last into Thursday morning, that tropical rain threat thanks to the remnants of Fred. Then a little drier Friday into the weekend, more sun, but it's still hot and humid with highs near 90 each day. Jessica, back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.